Thanks for your great observations with rocks 1, 2, and 3. I think you might have helped us get one step closer to getting out of this mess.
Montgomery, do you really think we're closer to getting out of this place? We still don't even know where we are. All we know is that we're surrounded by rocks.
You're probably right.
Guess what? While we're here, I did learn something. Do you know what a rock is?
What's a rock?
A rock is a material that's found in nature.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, and it may be made up of one or more minerals, clay, sand, or other earth and fossil material.
I saw some of those things around here.
Yeah, maybe we can find them again.
Those things called
Maybe they're
rocks.
clues to getting out.
I think you're right.
Hopefully we're not stuck in here forever. What?
I'm so hungry and I'm worried that we're not going to get out.
After the chili episode yesterday, I'm not feeding you.
But we're going to die.
Fine. I did happen to bring my random bag of junk.
Oh, look at this. This is great. There's all sorts of things in here. Oh, man.
So glad I brought my random bag of junk.
Yes.
Carry it with me
I
everywhere.
wonder if any of this could be helpful.
Well, if you get hangry, it's not a Snickers, but I do have a Cliff Bar. Not right now, though.
Okay.
We need to, conserve our stash.
So, should we start sorting through this to see what we have?
Yeah, we could sort it. But I have a better word for sort.
What is that?
Classify.
I did learn that in school.
You learned something.
Yes.
Yes.
Classify
You know something.
is when you basically sort things based off what they have in common with one another.
So properties that are the same, you put together into groups.
Yeah. Let me show them how that works.
Go
So
for
let me
it.
classify some of these items. Oh, look. Didn't I say...
Look. I have my Promethean board pen. I actually know where it is right now.
And your mouse. What good is that going to do?
I lose them all the time in school, but I have them in the cave with me.
I have an idea. How about you use your sticky notes? And
Always helpful.
When I sort them, you can write down how I'm sorting them.
So
I mean classify.
So I'm gonna
When I classify.
label the categories of properties as you classify them.
Yes.
Did you even understand what I just said?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so watch. I can classify these items over here because those are all items that you can write with. And these are all items that you can't write with.
So glad I brought these. I don't know why I need my Promethean board pen, but at least I know where it is. Items you can't write with.
Yeah, so that's one way I can classify these items. But I can also put them back together.
Didn't even get the label on yet.
Oh, I'm just so excited.
Hey, at least he's not whining that he's hungry.
But I do see food.
Stop! Focus! Focus!
So I can put the items back together again, and we can find a different way to classify them. Since you got me thinking about food, these items are items you can eat,
Food.
and these items are things you can't eat. Food, not food.
Don't eat. I
Yeah.
have food. Don't eat. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Hey, there's your idea. If we ever even get back to Pleasant Gap, at least we can get back in the
I
building.
can get back in the building. All right, let's do one more.
Sounds good.
So let's use more of our senses to
Do-
classify these objects.
And not your nickels?
Not my nickels.
So glad
Let's
you
use
learned
our
that
5
yesterday.
senses. So,
I see some objects that are round and might be
Yeah,
able
pull
to
those out.
roll. So like my Promethean pen, I would say is round, and the dry erase marker, and the pen, and my lip
Yes.
balm.
So those objects are round, and these ones are not round.
Well, this is what I'm thinking. My mouse is kind of round. It kind of has a round shape. So we could almost put these as this in the category of round, because it is rounded.
Yeah.
And these are they have corners and angles. So do you think we could put round and have angles?
Yes, let's do that.
I think that's some really great scientific vocabulary.
Definitely. And we're using our sense of sight to classify
Yeah.
these right now.
And a little bit of our sense of touch, because I can feel that my mouse is round.
That's true.
If only I had my computer to actually use my mouse with.
I would hope that you'd send someone an email to get us out of here.
I don't have my computer.
Oh.
We're still stuck.
Your job right now is we need some more clues to help us get out of here.
Yeah.
And you have 12 rocks in your rocks kit. We're hoping that you guys could classify your rocks in as many different ways as you can. You'll be given some sticky notes, and you'll need your pencil, and you'll want to classify, which means make 2 different groups for your rocks, as many ways as you can think of.
Based on the properties, something about an object that helps us tell what it is, of the rocks.
Using their 5 senses. Basically your 3 senses of sight,
Yes.
touch,
Yes.
and maybe smell.
And smell. Right. Because remember, we're not tasting rocks, and they're not going to talk to us, so we don't need to hear them.
Here's a hint. One of your ways can be rocks maybe with fossils and rocks without fossils.
Please give them more clues, because I really just want to get out of here.
Or maybe they can put them all back together and sort it as in these rocks have layers.
Like a big chocolate cake with icing in between.
And these rocks don't have layers.
Okay, we need them to classify these and find as many clues and properties as possible, because I think we're both really hungry.
Help!
Get us out of here!